So we'll do this nice little curled up kitty here. And some people call this envelope drawing, where you just kind of draw in the shape that the cat's going to fit into to start with. So I'm just really feeling my way around. And this is double speed, so you get to watch me do it a bit faster. Just getting that tail. And then mapping out where those lovely bundle of nice little paws go. I don't worry about overlap at this stage, because if I stop to worry about overlap, I interrupt the flow of getting those lines in nice and fluid. Tail's peeking out there. Basically feeling my way around at this stage. And I love this top view of curled up kitty. You get that head in there. I've learned to do the head last in poses like this because I find I fit it in a lot better that way. And while I'm drawing these lines, and I'm paying attention to rhythm and flow in the drawing as well, as well as just getting them then into the right place. I'm going to do a little bit of exaggerating. Please join our Facebook group. You will find the link for that in the video description below, plus some other handy cat drawing links as well. And if you really love to draw cats, we'd love to have you there. And that other ear is just peeking out behind. It's amazing how much smaller the rear ear looks. I mean, they're both the same size pretty much, but they appear different sizes. Look at those jowls in there. It helps me decide where the nose and the eyes go. I might have made that nose stick out a little bit too much right now, but I'll fix that. It's a work in progress. You're really feeling my way around again. Really slow down because it's so crucial where the features go on the face if we want it to look convincingly like a cat. Don't forget to subscribe. That's what helps build this channel and make it tick. You'll help us build the community of fellow crazy cat artists. So please subscribe and hit that little bell so you get notified of new videos. If you haven't noticed, I've sped it up a little faster here now, as I kind of tweak things and fill in the dark lines. You notice I've got a lot of extra lines, but I'm just choosing the lines that make sense now. And those extra lines just turn into background tone movement in the drawing. And you notice this rear leg that I just finished there isn't quite as close as it is to the tail. That little tail poking out in the photo, but that's okay, because it's art. I'm not going to go try to fix that and throw the whole drawing off. I like it the way it is. Okay, I'm just going to really speed it up while I put this background in, help Kitty pop out a bit. And this is just a kid's pencil crayon that I'm using, and they're great for sketching. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.